I worked in corporate America for a number of years, actually with PepsiCo, a large food processor. And through that, I learned that diet was extremely important, and I truly understood how important this obesity issue and overweight issue that we have in America is becoming. I began researching, reading everything that I could about every weight loss program out there. And through that research, including focus groups with hundreds of people, I came to realize that there were three key issues that really need to be resolved. One was motivation. The reality is that most people at this point in their life have around, let's call it 40 pounds to lose. Well, on an average diet, you're going to lose about 1 to 2 pounds a week. You're going to suffer a plateau every 4 to 6 weeks, which means 40 pounds is going to take the average person well over a year to lose. Well, most people look at that as such an unsurmountable task, they don't even want to get started. Or they start a program and after a couple of months of doing well, they have a bad weekend and gain 4 or 5 pounds back, and they're right back where they started from. So we knew that we needed to find a program that would enable people to lose weight rapidly. And with HCG, really, that's the only program that we found. We believe it is unquestionably the best weight loss program in the world today because it allows a patient to feel great and to lose as much weight in a day that they would normally lose in a week on any other weight loss program. So with HCG, you can lose weight rapidly. You're primarily losing fat, which is very difficult for most people to lose. You feel good, and your skin is extremely elastic, so you have none of the loose and hanging skin that most people experience with rapid weight loss. We've had amazing success stories with over 5,000 patients, including a recent wonderful success story with Rusty and Dara, where together they lost 150 pounds. Rusty lost 100 pounds in 12 weeks, and he looks fantastic. So we would like to help you too. Give us a call.